So this video is about Amazon Zocalo. It's a limited preview service as of now. So you need to sign up for a limited preview access, and once they approve your request, you can go ahead and access it. So once it becomes available to you, you can access it from your AWS panel. So this is a small video of my first experience with Zocalo. So I created a Zocalo site. So to do that, you can go here, create a new Zocalo site. Now, as I understand, Amazon has targeted two primary types of users. One is your regular personal use, and the second is business use. So standard setup would more towards the business use or the business end of it. So say for instance, if you have an Active Directory setup, or you want to integrate it with other servers under a VPC, standard setup would be the way to go. Um, let me just show you. So here is a cloud directory, and you can set it up under a VPC. You can of course connect it with an Active Directory, so your organization's users can log in with the same username and password that they use for logging into other services. For individual users, it's much more simple. You just hit quick start, give an app name, decide an administrator, and it's done. So I've already set up an app because as with every other Amazon service, it takes some time to set up a new site. So as soon as I did that, first thing I noticed was that this is hosted using CloudFront. So the first time I tried to access that page right after I installed it, or right after I created the Zocalo account, I got this page. So I guess it takes some time to set everything up, and even if the email is sent out that your service is ready and you receive this page, that's fine, because I guess the email is sent out at times before your service is actually set up. So you might get a page like this, but that's fine, just give it a few minutes. Also, I got multiple emails. I got multiple emails from Zocalo, so I guess that's another thing. So I got like two emails, both for signing up, but that's fine because uh, one, I guess they're still trying out the chinks and clear, making it more perfect and everything. So once it comes in, once your account is set up, and you're given a link, and you just go there, set up your user user's password, I mean administrator's password, and then you're logged into this page, which is, well, kind of looks like SharePoint, or most of the stuff is like SharePoint. So you can invite people, you can review other documents, upload documents of course, and all the stuff that you can basically do on SharePoint you can do here. But this looks like kind of neater than SharePoint. Of course, you have multiple apps. You can download it to PC, Mac, your mobile devices, and apparently there is something coming up for your browser as well, Chrome and Firefox. That's nice. The administration part, you can there is not much granularity here, I guess, for the quick setup, but you can change the broader settings, like amount of space a new user gets, and whether users can view links, send external view links to anyone. So that's kind of like if a person is not an user in your Zocalo group, but still you want to give access to a particular document or a folder to that person, change this setting. So you can say like specific domains, or you can just say, hey, just send it to anybody else, I don't care. So that's an important setting. You can create folders, of course, like say we create a test folder, and there you go, you can upload content. So you can just upload it from wherever you can upload content. Yeah. So it says a preview is in progress. Here, a small thing I noticed was that it really doesn't have a progress bar to show whether your content has been uploaded, is in the process of uploading, or any indication that has already been uploaded, a green check mark maybe. So those kind of things would have been nice. One good thing is that they have a recycle bin. So if you delete something, it goes to the recycle bins. So it doesn't actually get deleted unless you specifically go to the recycle bin and delete all the files there. Of course, there is no way to automatically clean up your recycle bin. So if there are several users, that might get a bit clogged. I guess you can go in once in a while and just delete everything. So these are things, some of the things you can send. You can ask for review. You can review other documents. So let me just upload another one. After the same document, why not? And once it's ready, and this might take some time, you can send a message. So and you can check on the activity. So you can see it's a Word document. So Microsoft Office documents and text documents can be previewed directly on the website and on the mobile apps and computer apps. Of course, as and when you add more people, these things would make sense. So you can leave comments and pretty much whatever you do on SharePoint, you can almost do everything here. Of course, if with that, like any other file sharing site, say Dropbox, here also you can create a public website. So make anything publicly viewable, and you can access it without logging in or give access to a particular use, give worldwide access. So, it's pretty much contains uh, all the features of Dropbox or Box.net or any of the services. One extra thing that it has, and these services doesn't have to that detail, is the fact that you can put it under a VPC and connect it with your organization's Active Directory. So in my opinion, Zocalo is more in terms of, say, better from a business perspective rather than an individual perspective. Another thing I would like to have on this is an API, so I can connect from my services, from my applications that I've written. That's a thing which would be really, really helpful here. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching.